for sale are still limited, but we are seeing homes for sale going under contract in just 9 days. It's Friday, January 19th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. As home prices rose over the past year, homes on the market are still not keeping pace with demand. This will continue to be an issue, and especially for those who want to live in the area as first-time homebuyers or those part of the local employee pool for our restaurants, hotels, small businesses, retail shops, schools, and other service industries. This past week, 117 properties were listed for sale. 14 homes are coming soon to the market. 17 homes hit the market over the past week. 12 went under contract. 9 moved to pending. 17 homes sold at 98.7% list to sold ratio and selling in 9 days. The highest priced home to sell was in downtown Annapolis for $1,500,000. Rentals in Annapolis rose slightly again to 46 at $2,825 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 19th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.